that currently we have a serious pandemic in our community. It is impacting our entire community. Across the nation, we have seen upwards of 16,000 people who've died. The majority of those are African Americans. As it comes into Austin and Travis County, this is a real reality that we have to face. And so we need to take the necessary precautions to prepare for this disease as it enters and rapidly spreads across our county. Those things include, first of all, staying your distance. We talk about what does social distancing mean. It means staying 6 feet apart. Secondly, staying at home. So when you are at home, making sure that those surfaces are cleaned and sterilized and sanitized with appropriate things. We recognize people have to go out to get groceries. They have to go out to go to the banks and the other things. So we encourage them to take the precautions. Those precautions are, as I've said a little bit, gloves. Make sure you have gloves when you go out. Secondly, your mask. It is absolutely important you have masks as you go out. One of the things that has been brought to my attention particularly is that as you go into some venues such as banks, grocery stores, and other venues, particularly as African Americans, and more specifically as African American males, it's real concerning that I would go into a bank with a mask on. So it's absolutely imperative that you take precautions by going into the bank and indicating that you're here to do banking business. It's sad in our environment that we have to take those precautions, but those are the realities that we face. And it's important that we let our population know that those are the types of things that we need to do. We need to make sure as we come in from those things that we remove those gloves and that we sanitize the supplies and equipment that we may have touched. So when we come in from the grocery bags, we need to clean the countertops where we put the grocery bags. We need to clean the cars that we get out of, meaning the door handles and the like. We need to clean our door handles as we come into the house. We need to clean the fruits and vegetables and the cans that we bring into the house, because all of these are items that have been out in the community and could have been exposed to individuals with COVID-19. Those are real challenges for our community or any community to have to undertake. But those are the kinds of preventive things we have to do in order to reduce the spread of this disease in our community.